Alright everyone, so in this video I will be talking about the fear of lack of information. Now this is something that I struggled with. This is something that many other traders have struggled with, and this recommendation was actually given to me by someone in the Discord, and it makes sense too. When I first started trading, I remembered that the biggest issue that I kept facing, or one of the biggest issues, was fear of missing out on information. Fear that maybe I'm not truly being given everything I need to be profitable. And I think that's one of the biggest reasons why a lot of people buy so many courses. They invest so much money, and at the end of the day they realize, man, is this really all it takes to become profitable? Is this really all I need? Are these simple videos it? And the truth of the matter is, yeah, sometimes you really don't need that much information. I'm gonna be honest, the information I give on my channel is quite frankly overkill. I give you way too much information, and it's already more than enough. It's actually more than what I actually knew at the time when I finally became profitable. But I like learning new things. I like giving you guys new stuff and things that are actually worth learning, things that will actually make you a better trader. Since I started my channel and I started doing not only the videos on stuff that I already knew that made me profitable, but on other stuff, other concepts, other ideas, that took me to a whole nother level. And I know that if you guys watch my stuff, take your time, go over the notes, give yourself some chart time, I have no doubt that you will become the skilled trader that you've always wanted to be. And like I've said plenty of times, many times before in the past, everything I do, everything I know is for free. I give it all for free. I hold nothing back. I have no reason to hold back. And if you're wondering why I'm doing it that way, it's because I was once in the same spot that you were. Struggling, figuring out if what I'm doing is right or wrong, going through information that at the end of the day was useless, just wasting hours and hours of time just to figure out that all it took was this simple thing or that other thing. And I'm trying to hopefully help someone out, whoever's watching my videos, who has ever watched my videos. Hopefully it has filled in some kind of gap. So to try not to be so extensive, guys, when it comes to at least my channel, I promise there's no information that you're missing to become profitable. I know that's always going to be something that you'll struggle with and that you probably have struggled with. But please, ladies and gents, realize that you don't need to pay people to learn how to be profitable. It's all here. It's all for free. I do it only because, like I said, I comprehend the struggle because I was once in the struggle. And because I made a promise to the one above that if he helped me become a profitable trader, I would help others too. And I absolutely pride myself in that. I get DMs about it all the time. I get people telling me, giving me their testimonials directly, telling me how they became profitable, how I helped them fill in the gaps, and all that other stuff. So, with that being said, if you do have any questions, you can always DM me. You can always join the Discord, ask me. I try my best to be active, and I try my best to be as responsive as I can. With that being said, that's all I have. I hope I wasn't too extensive, and I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.